In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to edit and reset pay runs, 5 minutes. We'll start by signing in to Xero. Open Xero's login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and click Login again. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open Payroll, then select Pay Employees to view your pay runs. Find the pay run you want to change and open it. If that pay run has already been posted but needs editing, open Pay Run Options and choose Revert to Draft. Xero will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to unlock the pay run. Reverting to draft moves it back to an editable state without wiping out all your data, which is ideal if you just need to adjust a few items. If the pay run is fundamentally wrong, for example, the dates, earnings basis, or widespread inputs are incorrect, scroll down and choose Reset Pay Run, then confirm yes. Resetting clears calculated data for the run so you can rebuild it cleanly. Use this with care because it removes the calculations you've already generated. With the pay run in draft, you can edit individual employees. Click selected employees to open the payslip you want to fix. Here, make your corrections, adjust hours worked, update earnings lines, add or modify allowances or deductions, or correct leave and overtime. If you need to add a one-off change, use adjustments to enter items like reimbursements, bonuses, or back pay so they're clearly listed and auditable. If a single payslip is off and you want to start fresh, click Reset Payslip at the bottom of that employee's page and confirm yes. This removes the calculated lines for that employee in this run, letting Xero rebuild based on their settings and timesheets. After making your changes, click Save and Close to keep everything tidy and avoid losing edits as you move between employees. You can also edit a draft pay run from the start without reverting anything. Just open it and proceed with your adjustments as shown. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Scan the summary totals to make sure gross pay, tax, superannuation, or pension and net pay look right. Cross-check any manual adjustments against your source records. When everything is correct, finalize your pay run and distribute pay slips following your normal process. That's it. You've seen how to revert a posted pay run to draft, reset an entire pay run, reset a single pay slip, and safely make edits in Xero Payroll.